Afternoon, dear students. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the guest paper of Sociology for 11th class. Without wasting your precious time, once again I request all of you kindly subscribe as well as share this channel. So we have guest paper. Guest paper में मसला यह है कि आपके जितने भी यूनिट्स है, हर किसी यूनिट में दो दो महत्वपूर्ण क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं. तो हम शुरुआत करते हैं स्टार्टिंग से. है वो है गेस्ट पेपर सोशलॉजी class 11th, framed by Dr. Asif Ali. So the important questions include, first question is directed, define enlightenment. First question that will be define enlightenment. Okay, second question will be features of society. Define features of society. Third question will be like this: what are the functional perspectives of societies? Functional perspective of society. Fourth question will be difference between secondary and reference groups. Fourth question, difference between secondary and reference groups. Okay, these are fourth questions. Now coming to fifth question, we have fifth question will be write the agencies of social control. Write the agencies of social control. Sixth question will be like this: difference between customs and role. Seventh question will be like this: difference between status and role, and then we have define norms and status, norms and customs. So we have two questions: difference between status and role, and then we have define norms and customs. उसके बाद important question, eighth question will be like types of marriage. Okay. Ninth question will be define kinship terminology. And last question will be 10th question, that is role of institutions. 10th question. Will be like this: we have role of institutions. So half questions हमारे almost complete हो गए. Then 11th question will be like this: write the agencies of socialization. 11th question, write the agencies of socialization. Agencies आपको बताने हैं, मुश्किल नहीं होना चाहिए. इसके अलावा आपका क्वेश्चन बन सकता है define research design. 12th question, define research design क्या होता है? इसके अलावा 13th question will be what is qualitative and quantitative data. What is qualitative and quantitative data. ठीक है. इसके अलावा 14th question will be like this: define case study. Okay, then 15th question will be like this. Law of three stages, 15th question. Law of three stages. Then 16th question will be like this. Define suicide or and its types. सुसाइड क्या होता है, what are its types, इस पे भी फोकस करना है आपको. ठीक है. इसके अलावा 17th क्वेश्चन विल बी डिफाइन संस्कृताइजेशन. डिफाइन संस्कृताइजेशन. संस्कृताइजेशन क्या होता है. ठीक है. इसके बाद 18th क्वेश्चन डिफाइन अशरफाइजेशन एंड अजलिफाइजेशन. डिफाइन अशरफाइजेशन एंड अजलिफाइजेशन. ओके. इसके अलावा 19th क्वेश्चन दैट इज define division of labor. Okay, then 20th question will be nature of social processes. Nature of social processes. Okay, then 20th one question will be that will be social change in rural areas. Social change in rural areas. Rural areas में आपको social change बताना है. ठीक है. 22th question. Then 22 question define social order. Social order क्या होता है. Social order. And then we have questions like this. 23rd, that is preservation of water bodies. Preservation of water bodies. Of water bodies, especially Bulla Lake. Water bodies. Bulla Lake. Bulla Lake. Then we have deforestation and its impact. Deforestation क्या होता है and its impact. And its impact. And last question will be like this. National response to floods in J&K. National response to floods in J&K. Floods in J&K. J&K में जो floods हुए हैं, नेशन का रेस्पॉन्स कैसा रहा उस पे. So this was all about the guest paper of sociology for 11th class. Hopefully you will get enough marks from this very guest. Thank you for your cooperation. जबरदस्त cooperation रहा.